Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram stories, iPhone and Android Easy Guide. So this tutorial works onto both Android and iPhone devices. So the first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and log in first onto your Instagram account. So as you can see, I'm currently onto my Instagram account already. And if I want to go ahead and share a post in here onto my story and I want to add the same photo as the background. So for example, I want to share this photo onto my Instagram story. I want to go ahead and make use of this as a background. I'll just have to go ahead and take a screenshot of this photo first. And right after that, let's edit this, make this smaller, just like that. Click onto done and save this to my photos. Right after, I'll share this onto my stories. Click on to add to story, and then right after it should go ahead and look something like this. Now to add the photo earlier that I've screenshotted, so let's move this over here. Let's click onto this icon here. Right after, let's add in a photo, choosing the photo that you screenshot. So what you need to do, we'll just need to go ahead and put this photo in here onto the bottom part, just like that. Just make sure that you could still access that. Let's make this big, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull up the photo again or the post, and we'll make this bigger, just like that. So as you can see, we have successfully created a background using the Instagram post and also added the post earlier from our feed. And that is how easy you could go ahead and add a background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram story. And if you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.